going on, guys? It's your boy Gio from HAIRGC, back at it again with another video. And in today's topic, we're going to be talking about the top 3 reasons why some men struggle to grow out their facial hair and maybe what can be done to hopefully combat this in the future. Let's get into it. Sometimes your beard may just hit a terminal length after which it stops growing entirely, or the process slows down to the point that you may be thinking, what's the point of trying to strive for more? Then there are some people that struggle to grow out a beard entirely, simply because the amount of hair density or mass just isn't there. So let's try to dive into the reasons as to why that may be. Reason number 1 is hormones. DHT is the main hormone responsible for the development of male sex characteristics such as body hair. So beards need DHT to develop and reach their full potential. In most cases though, lower levels or a lower sensitivity to this hormone leads to less beard growth. Men with higher levels of testosterone and DHT will typically have significantly more facial hair than men who have less. Reason number 2 is genetics. If your entire ancestral lineage were not as follically gifted, there's a high probability you will follow in their footsteps because there is just no escaping your genetics. If that's your case, then unfortunately not much can be done to change this except undergoing hormonal treatment, which is highly not recommended, but nevertheless is an option. But your best and safest bet is trying out a facial hair growth stimulator like minoxidil or any other topical solutions for stimulating hair growth. Age is obviously another genetic factor, and for most people a light stubble begins to appear between the ages of 14 to 16. For someone like me who is just hairy overall, it was 13. I was lucky. In some men, due to a delayed puberty, its growth is much slower and can take many years. However, this isn't as terrifying as you might think though. Facial hair continues to develop in thickness and density up to the age of 25 or even 40 years in most men. Reason number 3 is bad habits and bad nutrition. Having an overall balanced diet is important for a multitude of reasons. Being deficient in some vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, B, iron, and zinc affect the growth of hair quite significantly, especially the quality of hair. Iron is especially important because some studies have shown that most people suffering from androgenic alopecia have had iron deficiencies in the past. Conclusion is, with a balanced diet, you should see a change in the quality of facial hair within a matter of a few weeks. Bad habits such as drugs, alcohol, tobacco, an excess amount of caffeine, and sleep deprivation should be avoided as well. Because other than the obvious of it affecting your overall health and well-being, it also plays a huge part in the health of your beard and mustache. Which is kind of redundant to say. I mean, your beard and mustache is a part of you. It's not like it's an entirely different alien entity. But anyways, if you're worried about your beard not growing, the first and most essential tip I could give you is to stop worrying about it. Stress directly affects the nervous system and can cause severe damage to your hormonal structure, lowering the levels of testosterone in your body, a hormone which directly correlates with hair growth when it comes to men. So quick breakdown: if it's genetic, look into beard growth supplements. Check out our video about minoxidil for your beard and mustache in the link down below. If it's hormonal, see an endocrinologist and get your testosterone levels checked. And generally get some sleep, adjust your diet, and stop stressing. Also make sure you're shaving gently with a blade that doesn't date back to ancient China. But that is about all I have for you guys today for the reasons as to why your beard may not be growing and what you can do to hopefully change that. As always, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to check out our website, HAIRGC, for anything and everything hair and beard related. My name is Gio from HAIRGC, and I'll see you soon.